Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the snap circuit kits. They kind of look like this in the box. You are going to be using these to make circuits and a few different types. So the first thing that you need to know is that you need to have all the right parts to a circuit, which includes this board or a snap board. This is going to go straight down onto the table and it should stay here. So I shouldn't see pieces off of the grid. This is the snap board. Second thing that you need for any circuit is a voltage source. So in this case it's batteries. These symbols on all of the parts correspond to the manual, and all of the different parts or the symbols are actually listed in here and what they mean. So the first thing to start any circuit is we need to have our voltage, which is our batteries. Now on the bottom, these little snap parts snap right onto the pegs on the snap board. Second thing that we need is we want something to do something. So in this case, I want to light up a light. This is a light. It actually says L2 on it, which looking in my manual, I found out that L2 is a light. So I'm going to snap that onto my snap board. Now the third thing that you have to have for any circuit is you have to have a conductor that conducts electricity to what we want to make work from the voltage source. So from our power to whatever we're trying to get to work, we have to have some kind of a connection. There's two ways that you can do this. There are wires, so you could use these wires to connect, or you could use these snap connectors. These are conductors, even though they don't look like it. There is metal on the back side, and as we know, metal is a good conductor, so this is going to conduct electricity for us. Same thing with the wires. The wires have a little bit of a copper wire inside, and we know that copper is a really good conductor, and it just happens to be a really good conductor of electricity too. So I'm going to show you both ways of how to do this circuit, or how to make this circuit. To start, I'm going to snap, this has like a little snap thing on the back, I'm going to snap it onto the battery pack, our voltage source, and then I'm going to connect it to the light. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So starting from the light, I'm going to connect that wire and then connect it to my voltage source. And did you guys see it light up? Let's see. Oh yeah, you can barely see that it lights up on the video. So that's one way that you could make it work. Another way is to actually use the snap connectors, these little conductors that have the metal on the back. They're all labeled with a number based on how many pegs there are. That might help you later on when you're making more complex circuits. So in this case, I'm going to connect, I need to move my light forward. So I'm going to connect one of the conductors to the light, and then starting from the light, I'm going to connect my other conductor, and check it out. I just made a circuit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy using the snap circuits, and if you ever need directions again, you can always reference this video.